Ready or not, here they come. Thousands of new electric vehicles are about to hit the roads, but is the country prepared?
We have outlets in every garage. We have outlets in every parking facility, at every building.
From California to the heartland to New York City, a look at whether we're ready for the next EV revolution. EVs are supposed to help wean us off foreign oil, but can that really be done? What would it take? T. Boone Pickens mixes it up with the American Petroleum Institute's Sarah Banaszak and Senator Tom Carper. Plus, it's called the ultimate energy source, fusion power. How close are we? From the world's leading fusion scientists,
it's nearly a perfect energy source,
to amateur innovators.
I bought this whole thing on eBay.
The race to fusion. This is Energy Now.